Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore the new permission attributes in FortiManager and demonstrate how they affect FortiGate device management. FortiManager now provides more granular role-based access control, allowing administrators to manage access to specific FortiGate configuration features. After logging in as a superuser administrator, we will go to the Admin Profiles page and edit the Device Network Manager profile. The new permission options appear under Manage Device Configurations. These options include Interface, Log and Report, Security Fabric, and Others. The Others category includes additional device management settings that are not covered by the Interface, Log and Report, or Security Fabric permission groups. For now, we will set these permissions to none. Another new permission attribute is Routing. Hovering over the information icon shows which pages and features are affected by this permission. After saving the permission changes, we can assign the profile to an administrator account. Here, we have an administrator account for Ricky. Under Admin Profile, we will select the profile that we just configured, and then click OK to save the changes. Now, let's log in using Ricky's administrator account to see how the None permission affects access. Under Device Manager, navigate to the Device and Groups page. Because the permissions were set to none, Ricky cannot select the FortiGate device or view its configuration. Next, we will log back in using the Superuser Administrator account and change the permissions from none to read-only. With read-only access, Ricky will be able to view the relevant pages and configurations, but will not be able to make any changes. After logging back in using Ricky's administrator account, we can see how the read-only permissions affect access to the device configuration pages. Ricky can now select the FortiGate device and view its configuration. When we open Feature Visibility, we can also see options such as Static Route, BGP, and Log settings. Ricky can also open the corresponding configuration pages, such as the Static Routes page. However, because the permission is read-only, the configuration cannot be modified. Because the routing permission includes access to BGP and static route templates, Ricky can also view these templates under Provisioning Templates. Next, we will return to the Superuser Administrator account and change Ricky's permissions to Read-Write. With Read-Write permissions enabled, Ricky can now modify the device configuration. For example, here we are editing an interface and saving the change to the device. After the change is saved, the device configuration status changes from synchronized to modified. The read-write permission also allows Ricky to create and edit BGP and static route templates. In this example, we are creating a new static route template and configuring its settings. This concludes our demonstration of how FortiManager's feature-based RBAC permissions provide no access, read-only, and read-write control over specific FortiGate configuration features. Thank you for watching.